No float too.
Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Hi, I'm Saloni and I do all crazy stuff on my YouTube channel, which is mainly related to beauty and makeup. Sometimes it's travel and food, but mainly it's beauty and makeup. So today's video is my first video in the 31 days of Halloween 31 days of Halloween series, yeah, where I will be creating one new look every day for the rest of the month, which means 31 looks in this month. And I do feel nervous whenever I say it, and I did not think it through, and I'm just trying and hold on. But yeah, let's get on with the first look, which is of Mrs. Pennywise. And yeah, I hope you people like it. The rest of the tutorial is going to be in fast forward because let's be real, I have to film and edit every day now, so I need time. But if you have any questions related to my look, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'd love to answer. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Next to me, yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.